Hey guys, Boosted Katie here. Today we are going to go over how to replace a cam follower in a Mark 5 GTI, specifically a 2007 FSI. It is a super quick and easy job, so let's get right into it. These are all the supplies you will need for this job. So first you'll want to unplug the thrust sensor and the electrical connector that is on the high pressure fuel pump. Then you'll want to run your card to relieve fuel pressure in the pump. Then you'll disconnect your battery using a 10mm socket, if you can even find it. Now we will be removing the dust cap and the shader valve using a 13mm wrench. And make sure to put down a couple rags as there will be fuel coming out of this. Also make sure to wear some safety glasses just in case you didn't relieve all of the pressure in the pump and the fuel comes spraying at you, and that would be a bad day. Next we are going to remove the fuel feed line, and in the 2007 GTI we just have a rubber hose next to it, and we do not have that banjo bolt that other generations do, so it makes it a little easier for us. I'm sorry if you have the banjo bolt though. Okay, so now we are going to remove the high pressure fuel pump with the T30 torque socket. Now you're gonna pull back the high pressure fuel pump. It's a little difficult, so you just gotta tug it a little bit. And just like that, there it is, there's the cam follower. As you can see, my old one is pretty bad, so we check the cam lobe and check the high pressure fuel pump just for any wear. And here's what it's supposed to look like. Now you take some oil and you lube up the new cam follower. And you can use new oil, but I just used some of the one already there. Also, this would be the time to put on your new O-ring, but I did not have one. Now you just put it back in, and then you start putting everything back together. You put the high pressure fuel pump back on. It's a little difficult because it is spring-loaded. Okay, while putting the bolts back on, you do want to put them on as evenly as possible and in a star pattern. Now that they're hand tight, I do check to make sure the high pressure fuel pump is back on evenly. Set the torque wrench to 7.5 feet-pounds of torque, again continuing the star pattern. Double check it. Put the fuel feed line back on with a 17mm wrench and the shader valve with a 13mm box wrench. And put the cap back on. Reconnect the sensors. Now go find that 10mm socket you lost and reconnect the battery. Okay guys, so as you can see, that was a pretty quick and easy replacement. The biggest indication that you have a bad cam follower is a fuel cut under boost, misfires, and if you do code it, it'll be these codes. Because I can't remember, I'll just put them on the screen. But anyways, thanks for watching and I hope this helped. See you later.